Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how you can download and install Castle HD app on your Windows device. So first open up your any browser and go to your search box and just type the BlueStacks. And once you hit enter, you will find the first website of bluestacks.com on the top. So just open it up and click on the download BlueStacks for Windows. Once it was downloaded, just open up the setup file and just go ahead and install it on your device. And once BlueStacks setup opened, just go ahead and install it on your Windows. After you install, open up the BlueStacks, go to the system apps and open up the Play Store. After you sign in, go to your search box and go to top search box again and type here the Castle app and hit the enter. You will find Castle HD app on the top. Click on it and install it on your emulator. Now just wait for it to download and install, and after it is installed, go to your BlueStacks homepage and you will find Castle app on your homepage. And guys, that's how you can download and install Castle app. If you find this video helpful, please like it, and thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.